Software. Software is a set of instructions that makes the computer perform tasks. Software is another term for a computer program. It controls the computer and makes it do useful work. Without software, a computer is useless. Software can be classified into two broad categories: system software and application software. System software. It is the most important software to operate a computer. The operating system is a type of system software. System software can be classified into three categories: operating system, programming software, and utility software. System software, operating system, programming software, and utility software. Operating system. An operating system is the most important software that runs on a computer. It manages the computer's memory, processes data, and controls all its software as well as hardware. It serves as an interface between the user and the hardware. Without an operating system, a computer is useless. Types of operating systems. Operating systems usually come preloaded on any computer you buy. Most people use the operating system that comes with their computer, but it is possible to upgrade or even change an operating system. The three most common operating systems for personal computers are Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Other known names are iMac, Unix, and DOS. Functions of an operating system. Operating system performs three types of functions: manages computer resources, coordinates memory, processing, storage, and printers, monitors systems performance, provides security, starts up the computer, provides user interface. The interface can be character user interface, CUI, or graphical user interface, GUI. Runs applications through multitasking, foreground and background applications. Programming software. It is the software used by the computer to understand and convert the instructions by programming language into machine language. Compilers, assemblers, debuggers, interpreters, etc. are examples of programming software. Assembler. An assembler is a program used to translate assembly language into machine language so that the computer can understand it. Compiler. A compiler is a software that converts the entire source program into machine language before executing it. It displays the errors for the whole program together. Interpreter. An interpreter is also a separate program that converts the entire source program into machine language before executing it. An interpreter translates and executes one statement at a time. It displays the errors one line at a time, and it goes to the next line only after the error is corrected. Utility software. Utility software are provided as a part of operating system. They are specifically designed to manage the computer hardware, operating system, and application software. Some of the utility software are backup utility. It is used for keeping the backup files for emergency. Windows Backup and Restore is the default Windows backup utility. Data compression program. It is used to compress a large file into a file of smaller size so that it occupies less space and is easy to store. WinZip and WinRAR are examples of these software. Disk defragmenter. The memory of a computer is divided into small blocks. The files are stored in continuous blocks of space in the hard disk. When a file is deleted from the computer, a part of that space becomes free. When a new file is saved on the computer, some part of it is saved on the first available free space in the memory. After some time, the files get stored in various fragments, which slows down the speed of the computer. The disk defragmenter organizes the fragments of files into continuous blocks to improve performance of the computer. Virus scanner. It is used to scan the computer for viruses among files and folders. It scans the disk each time you insert it into a computer or whenever the computer is booted. It is also called antivirus software. Quick Heal, Norton, etc. are examples of these software. Application software. It is a program designed to help users perform specific tasks. It is designed to be used by end users. Generally, people refer to application software as software. Application software can be broadly classified into two categories. Application software. General purpose software, customized software. General purpose software. Word processors, spreadsheets, presentation software, database management systems, DBMS, desktop publishing software, DTP, image processing software, multimedia processors. General purpose software. General purpose software are those which have not been developed according to the needs of a particular organization or a particular industry. It can be used for both commercial and non-commercial purposes. The general purpose software can further be classified into 7 different groups on the basis of their use. These are word processors. Word processors are used to create, edit, and format text documents. They are commonly used in businesses, schools, and at home. Microsoft Word is the most commonly used word processor. Some other word processors are WordPerfect, Writer, and KWord. Spreadsheet software. Spreadsheet software are used to calculate, compare, and analyze data and used to prepare different reports. It is also used to create graphs and charts based on the data stored in the spreadsheet. Some commonly used spreadsheet programs include Microsoft Excel, Lotus 123, Calc, etc. Presentation graphics software. Presentation graphics software are used to create presentations which include sound, music, video, charts, and animation. Presentations are used by salespersons, managers, teachers, students, etc. Some commonly used presentation graphics software are Microsoft PowerPoint, Corel Presentations, Impress, etc. Graphics software. Graphics software are further divided into 2 parts: drawing and painting software and computer-aided design, CAD. A drawing and painting software allows freehand drawing and coloring. Some commonly used drawing and painting software are Paint, Draw, etc. Computer-aided design. CAD is used to help in designing of a product. CAD software is used by engineers, architects, and designers to produce detailed design plans and technical drawings. Database Management System DBMS software. Database Management System DBMS software are used to create, store, modify, and sort data stored in a database. A database is an organized collection of related data. The DBMS is used to query the database and find any information easily. It is also used to generate reports on the basis of data stored in it. Some commonly used DBMS include Microsoft Access, Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, Base, etc. Desktop Publishing DTP software. Desktop Publishing DTP software are used to create newspapers, magazines, brochures, still advertisements, etc. They are commonly used to create files that create lot of graphics. Some commonly used DTP software include Corel Draw, Adobe InDesign, Adobe Photoshop, Quark Express, and Microsoft Publisher. Multimedia software. Multimedia software are used to combine the text with graphics, videos, and sounds. Therefore, it is called multimedia software. Some commonly used multimedia software are Windows Media Player, Windows Movie Maker, Picasa, Inkscape, MediaMonkey, etc. Customized software. Customized software are those which have been developed according to the needs of a particular organization or an individual. Such software is also called tailor-made software. Difference between system software and application software. Software is mainly classified into two types: system software and application software. You already know about both types of software. Now read the differences between system software and application software. System software. Application software. System software. It is used for operating computer hardware as well as software. Application software. It is used by user to perform particular task. System software can run independently with some conditions. Application software cannot run without the presence of the system software. User does not have direct interaction with system software. User can have direct interaction with the application software. System software, pre-installed software. Application software, user can install and uninstall this software. System software, examples, Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS, etc. Application software, examples, MS Office, web browser, media player, etc. Operational support system. An operational support system, OSS, is a group of computer programs. It is used by telecommunication service providers, TSP, for monitoring, controlling, analyzing, and managing a computer or telephone network system. It is also called Operation Support System. Operation Support System is mainly used by e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, etc. It includes the following managements: service delivery, customer care, stock management, transaction management. Most popular operation support systems are Oracle OSS, IBM OSS, Netcracker OSS, and Huawei OSS.